Hello guys, I just replaced my clutch and I'm getting ready to mount everything back together to do a test drive, but I will take this opportunity to show you the belt rack I've made for my belt, because I don't know why, but Arctic Cat didn't feel important to do a rack to hold the belt under the hood. So if you break a belt in the trail, you can put back a hot belt on your pulley instead of driving a belt in your luggage at -30 and having like a belt hard like a rock. So I've made a rack for my belt. I will show you what it looked like. It was very easy to do. I installed that on this aluminum guard here because it's very hot in here. It's just over the other belt, and it's where most manufacturers install their belt rack for the spare belt. So what I did first, maybe you can see better here. Yeah, there's two bolts. I've drilled 2 holes in that thing, and I've took 2 plates of aluminum, but you can take just once, is because I have just little pieces. You can, as you can see, I bend it here at 90 degrees, but instead of using 2, you can use only 1 and bend another 80 degrees here flat and screw it on this guard. But I didn't have a piece big enough, so I've made it from 2 pieces. That's why I have 2 bolts here on this side. It's to hold the 2 brackets together, and this bolt here, it's to hold the other part of the guard that's holding the belt. So let me show you how it's work right now. So the way it works, put my belt one side of the belt between the bolt, the center bolt. There you go. I slide it the most or the farther I can on the front because my cover fit tight here. After that, I put the other section, which is another plate band at 90 degrees. In here, it will squeeze my belt. I put the lock washer in and my butterfly nut. I rather put a lock washer even if it's pushing or sitting on rubber, just for an extra precaution. There you go, my belt. It's in a hot place whenever I need it. So this is how I've made my little spare belt holder. Really easy. Drill on aluminum, so it's not a struggle to drill in there. The only thing I had to do is unscrew the hood section and move it a bit so I can align the drill with the hole that I've made in that guard, but it was very easy to install. So this is it for my belt holder. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video on my sled or any other project. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Bye.